In this video, we are going to see about the Git UI and tools. So, what are the topics we are discussing in this video are an overview of graphic user interface and tools of Git, and how Git supports both command line and GUI. So, like many other software tools, Git supports and operates through both GUI and CLI, Git Graphic User Interface and command line interface. The first choice for most of the developers and companies is to use command line for everything including Git. So before that, let's understand what is GUI and CLI. Graphic User Interface. A graphic user interface is a digital interface in which user interacts with graphical components and also with Git repositories. Graphical user interface, that is GUI for Git, provide a visual way to interact with Git repositories, making it easier for users who might not be comfortable with command line interfaces. So then also we can say that when choosing a Git GUI, we need to consider the factors like our platform preference, desired features, and integration with specific Git hosting platforms. Ultimately, the best choice depends on our workflow and personal preferences. Then the next one is command line interface. So, a command line interface is a text based user interface used to run programs, manage computer files, and interact with computer. The Git CLI allows users to perform various tasks including cloning repositories, staging changes, committing changes, branching, merging, and interacting with remote repositories on GitHub. Users can navigate and manipulate repositories, branches, and files using commands entered in a terminal or command prompt. GitHub itself primarily provides a web based interface, but developers often use Git commands through a command line interface for more precise control over versioning and collaboration workflows. Also, we can say that by using the Git CLI in conjunction with GitHub, developers can efficiently manage their version control tasks, automate workflows, and integrate Git into various development environments. The Git command line provides a powerful and flexible way to interact with Git repositories and is widely used by developers who prefer text based interfaces or need to script or and automate Git related tasks. GUI equally helps beginners and most advanced users. They often expose advanced options that we might not even know exist otherwise. They save many lines of code with a simple drag and drop or just push of button. So some popular GUI clients are like Git comes with built-in GUI tools like Git GUI and Git K for committing and browsing. There are also some several third-party tools that you can see here: GitHub Desktop, Git Kraken, SourceTree, Gitcola, SmartGit, and also some other are there. Let's have a glimpse of all these third-party tools. GitHub Desktop. You can see here the platforms are Windows and Mac. Simple. What exactly the GitHub Desktop means? Simple, and it is user friendly, and also designed for GitHub users, but can work with the Git repository. Also, it offers basic functionalities like clone, commit, push, and pull. The next one is SourceTree. Can be used in Windows and Mac. It's a Atlassian SourceTree is a feature-rich Git GUI with a clean interface. It supports Git flow and provides a visual representation of branches, commits, and merges. Then the Git Kraken is known for its visually appealing interface. It supports Git flow as powerful merge conflict resolution tools and integrates with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. This is also can be used in the platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. Then the Tortoise Git integrates with Windows Explorer, allowing users to perform Git operations directly from the File Explorer. It provides context menu options for common Git actions. Platform is Windows. Then Gitcola is a lightweight and cross-platform for Git GUI. It offers a straightforward interface and includes features like history visualization and conflict resolution tools. Platforms: Windows, Macs, and Linux. Then the Git extensions. Git extension is a Git GUI that integrates with Visual Studio and provides a various of tools for managing Git repositories, including a commit graph and Git flow support. So when choosing a Git GUI, we need to consider the factors like our platform preferences, as I said earlier, then and also the integration with specific Git hosting platforms. This is all about the GUI and